Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to convert an image to a shareable URL link without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. There are so many ways by which you can do it. So I'm going to give you very simple and easy way to do. So for that, go ahead and open up your browser. After you open up your browser, next thing you want to do is I'm using Chrome browser, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you log into your Chrome browser and then go ahead and click on the app right here. Go ahead and click on Google Drive. Having clicked on Google Drive, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on New right here. Then go ahead and click on File Upload. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for the image you want to convert to URL link. So I'm going to select this image. I'll click on Open. So the image is successfully uploaded right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and refresh my Google Drive right here. So press Ctrl R to refresh. Now I have the image right here. So how do we get a shareable link for this image? Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we make sure we select on the image. Having select on the image, go ahead and click on this three dot right here. So having select on the image, next thing we want to do is to come to the top right here. Then we have copy link. Just copy the link and you have done. You can share the link to anybody and then they can have access to the image. So if I click on here to create a new tab and I come to the address bar right here, I decide to paste the link into the URL. Hit enter, then you find out that the image is going to load just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So this is how to convert your image into URL shareable link. Anybody that have access to this link, they can view the image in few seconds. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.